Yeah. So what have you ordered?
xiao long bao.
Yeah.
Then also
Wonton.
broccoli beef.
Yeah.
Szechuan oil wonton. And something, I don't know.
And some juice, yeah?
Yeah, juices, yeah.
You gotta mix it, man. Mix it. Mix it, yeah? Let's mix it slowly. Mix it. Yeah. Try this. Drop the sticks.
Hi sir,
Hiya.
chicken xiaolongbao, may I serve?
Yeah, please.
I need something to drink.
It's coming, it's coming.
Please be careful sir, the soup inside stay very hot sir.
It's really hot, is it?
Yes.
How do I take it?
May I show you how to use it?
Yeah, yeah.
What do
May
you
I borrow
chopsticks?
chopsticks?
Yes. Honey, it's hot.
It's real hot.
Yeah.
Please be careful.
Plate? Okay.
I would recommend you to put on the spoon first
Okay.
and make a hole at the bottom of the xiaolongbao sir.
Okay.
By doing that, it will release the broth inside.
Okay.
So you can enjoy original taste of the xiaolongbao by sipping the broth first sir,
Okay.
without any sauce. But please be careful, it's still very hot sir. For the rest of the xiaolongbao, you can put slice of ginger on it. It
Okay.
enhances the flavor.
Thank you.
Chopsticks.
May I make sauce for you?
Yeah, yeah, please, please.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. How do you use chopsticks?
Have a nice dessert.
How do you hold it?
Iced tea is that. Thank you. Yeah, that's good.
If you want to I can make you with chopsticks.
This one is no sugar, huh?
Yeah, I'll add.
Sugar.
I'll add. Thank you.
Do I need to mix?
Do you need to mix it? Or is it mixed?
Only this one, no sugar. This one already mixed.
That's fine. Have it. So she's teaching us how to use a chopstick.
Just put here.
Oh wow. Okay.
You can
Like that, but
Careful.
yes.
How's it?
Our sauce is 1 bar of soy sauce and 3 bar rice vinegar sir.
Okay.
When you enjoy the xiaolongbao, you can put slice of ginger on that.
Okay. So I put some ginger on this one
Yes.
and then eat it, is it?
Please enjoy sir. If you need anything, please let me know.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. So let me.
Broccoli.
Thank you. Mmm. Tell me, how's it? Yeah. Mm. Did you like the food? What is your favorite?
wonton.
Wonton?
Best.
Yes, okay. What else?
But the other one, but everything is good. I'm trying.
I can't see you. Can it?